Hi, my name is Carlos Cuadra Santaella, and in this second video, I will address the project execution, control, and closure of the project. At this stage of the project, the new project constraints have already been implemented and have been included the budget reduction as well as the compressed schedule. However, during the week, a technical conflict was identified in the predictive analysis, which might delay the final deliverable by approximately 48 hours. To understand the real progress of the project, I will start by using project monitoring tools. And first, I will use a Kanban board to track the status of the development task. And this will allow to the team to see which activities are complete or in progress or in waiting. And the Kanban board shown in the video comes from another project that it is already the one that we use in the challenge to illustrate how task progress can be monitorized. And secondly, I will use a sprint burn down chart to compare the remaining work against the accelerated timeline. And this chart shows how the remaining work decreases during the sprints and help to verify if the development is aligned with the review schedule. And by combining the information from the Kanban board and the burn down chart, I can estimate the real progress of the project. And since the core modules are complete and only the integration and the validation tasks remain, I will estimate and give a certain number around the 90 or 92% complete based on the complete work that has been done based on the work packages in the work breakdown structure. Unless I don't have the activities, I can give a certain amount of percentage. So after this, I will analyze the impact of the 48 hours delay, and first I will determine if the issue affects the critical path, and if it does, the schedule baseline should be loaded to include the 48 extension for the final integration phase. And for communication with stakeholders, I will prepare a short technical report explaining the issue, his main impact, and the mitigation strategy that can be used in that case. And then the situation will be explained in the status meeting where the review timeline is presented and the stakeholders are informed um, to the system and the quality are not affected during this final stage. And even with this variation, I will ensure the project remains aligned with the project plan by maintaining costs and monitoring progress through a sprint tracking tools and other kind of things. And at the end of the project, I will prepare a project closure report, including the final deliverables, verifications of the scopes, and qualified requirements, as well as documentation to determine technical decisions. And one lesson from this project is the importance of intercultural collaboration when integrating expertise from different cultures. And another lesson is that the importance of prioritizing core functionality when facing budget compression. And in my personal conclusion, by using these monitoring tools and analyzing the schedules, variations, and maintaining transparency through stakeholders and communication, the project can be executed and remain controlled, even if the project are not in the best situation, and the project can be successfully be closed. And that's all. Thank you so much.